Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Nox, and today we're going to be unboxing the Audio Technica Bluetooth version. These headphones, I've been using them for so long. I've been using the wired version for so long, and I think these are the new wireless version. So I'm going to be unboxing it, and if you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to charge your Audio Technica M50 BTS. So this is the wireless ones. So if you want to charge it, what you do is you take this USB-C, plug it into there. Yeah, fully plugged in. And then what you can do is you can plug it into your PC, put it straight into your PC or into a plug or whatever you want. And the way you would know it's charging is that you have that red light there. And that's how you know it's been charging. Now I know a lot of you are going to start asking me how to turn this on and how to sort of set it up. It's actually quite simple. So if you look on the left hand side, there's a few buttons here, and if I hold it the right way up, so as you can see, there's this button in the middle with the power symbol on it. If you just hold that in for 2 seconds, you can turn it on, and then once you've turned it on, it will show up on your mobile device, and you just click pair on your mobile device and it will start working. If you want to turn it off, you do the same thing. So you just hold it for 2 seconds and that's it. So let me just show you. So hold it for 2 seconds. And you see the white light coming on. That means it's now turned on and ready to pair. Now if you've already paired this headphone to your device, you should pair automatically. You wouldn't need to go to the settings. And then once you finish using it, you hold it in for 2 seconds again. And there we go, it's turned off again. So it's as simple as that. Just pairing it is very simple. And yeah, I hope that helps. Also, when you're listening to music, you can turn up the music volume with this one, with the right hand side with the plus sign, and then also decrease the volume with this side. Now if you want to go to the next song, all you have to do is you just have to hold the plus sign in for 2 seconds, and if you want to go back, you hold the minus sign for 2 seconds. So it's very simple and very easy to use. You don't have to take your phone out, you know, when you're going out or anything like that. And then if you're on a call and someone's ringing you, you just hold in, just focus it in. You just hold in the middle button. So you just click it once. You don't need to hold it. So you click in the middle button to accept and to end a call. And then if you want to increase the volume, obviously you increase it and decrease it. If you want to mute yourself during the call, you click this button in, and then you'll be muted. If not, if you're not on a call, you can click this button and get an assistant, for example like Siri or Google Assistant or whatever. So that's the button you would use for that if you're not on a call. Now if you're on a call and you click this, you're not going to get Google Assistant. You would just mute yourself on the call. But if you're not on a call, then click that and you can get the assistant. If that focuses in. Yeah, there we go, the assistant. So guys, I hope that helps you. That's going to be everything that you need to know for this. Obviously this is the slot. Let's say you want to plug it into your phone or a microphone. So if I've got this here, so only this side will actually go into the slot. So let's see if I can do this. So yeah, only this side will go in. Let's actually check if the other side does go in as well, just in case. There might be. I very much doubt it, but oh, it does go in. It actually does go in. Okay, it does go in. But I think this is the side that was made for it to go inside. There we go. It's a perfect fit, and it works. You just need to plug the other side into your phone or into a microphone like a Yeti or Snowball, anything like that, and it should be working.
And that's my unboxing, guys. If you guys did enjoy the unboxing, leave a like down below, and if you guys want to see more videos like this or even gameplay videos that I do, hit the subscribe button. If you guys have any other questions about this headphones, let me know down below and I'll try to answer all your questions. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.